Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing your iOS 16 lock screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start on the lock screen of your iPhone. Unlock it with your Face ID, but don't leave the lock screen. Once it's unlocked, hold your finger down on the screen until it vibrates and opens the lock screen customization screen. You can choose to customize this current lock screen, or you can create a new one. If you create a new one, choose the type of wallpaper you want to use. You can choose from your own photos, or use default Apple wallpapers such as weather ones. Once you've chosen your wallpaper, you can customize the lock screen. Now you can start adding widgets. Tap on the top widget area where it says the date to change to a different widget. There are many to choose from. If you tap the clock, you can edit the features of it, such as the front and colors. There is space for 3 extra widgets below the clock. You can tap that area and select the widgets that you want. You can also apply filters to your wallpaper image here by swiping left and right. Once you're finished editing your lock screen, tap the Add button at the top right, then select Set as Wallpaper Pair. That lock screen is now customized. You can go back and customize it again at any point by holding your finger down on the lock screen when it's unlocked, and you can switch between your other saved lock screens here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.